Now we'll see in this menu bar. Okay, this is the menu bar, and in here in the menu bar in text we will see use hyphenation setting. This hyphenation settings, if we click on this, there is another window which opens. If you tick on this automatically hyphenate paragraph and click OK, you need to select the text first. Okay, so if you do not select the text, another window opens which asks you about if you want to apply the hyphenation setting to all the future paragraph text. Okay, so to avoid that, you always need to select the paragraph text on your sheet. Okay, if you do not select and click on this text and hyphenation setting, this particular window opens, and if you click automatically hyphenate paragraph, you click OK, this another window opens which asks you if you want to apply this hyphenation setting in all the future paragraph text. Okay, so I'll cancel this. So to avoid that third window, what we'll do is we'll select text, we'll go to text on the menu bar, text, go to hyphenation setting. Okay, or if you click automatically hyphenate paragraph text, it will apply, and if you click OK, it apply that hyphenation setting to this particular paragraph. Okay, now see wherever there is a word which does not fit on this one single line. Okay, suppose we will consider this particular word. We'll see which word is hyphenated here. Okay, now see this particular word here. See this particular word. Just observe these words. Wherever the dash appears, that's hyphenation. See, the text, this entire text does not fit on this line. So that's the reason it has automatically put an hyphenation here and shifted the remaining text of that particular word to the next line. Here, this is the word. Okay. So this is the word, and the remaining text which did not fit here on this particular line, it has shifted to the next line. Here it has shifted. See. Again, we'll see any other hyphenation. See here also, this particular word did not fit on this line. That's the reason the remaining words has been shifted to the next line. That is called hyphenation. See this also, it is shifted to next line. Basically, a dash which appears in between the word which does not fit on a particular line, cuts that word into two, and to show that it is a one word, it puts a dash in between and shifts that the remaining words to the second line. That is called hyphenation setting. And just observe this word. If I remove the hyphenation setting, see, if I go to text and if I in hyphenation setting, if I remove this automatically hyphenate paragraph, what it does is it removes that hyphenation setting. So if you see this particular word which had hyphenation here, what it has done is the word which did not fit on this line, it has shifted that entire line to the next line. So that is called hyphenation setting. So we'll see the hyphenation setting in the forceful justify text. Okay, this is full justify. Full justify means it aligns the text from left to right, and it does not leave any gap between the text and the paragraph outline. See, if we align this to left, see there is a paragraph, there is a gap in between, you see. Okay, so if we full justify, it does not leave any of the gap here. Okay, now we will try and see the hyphenation setting. Go to text setting, automatically hyphenate. Okay, so what it does is in full justify, it does not take the hyphenation setting. Even if you reduce the size, what it does is it is shifting the entire text to the next line. See, it is shifting the entire text to the next line. See here, you see it does take the hyphenation setting in full justify also. In full justify, this is the full justify. It does take the hyphenation setting in full justify too. See this particular word here, software, that has been cut into two. It has put a hyphenation setting and shifted the rest of the words to the next line. See, I can remove it from here, go to this text hyphenation setting and remove from here, or I can directly click this particular use hyphenation and remove it. Okay, so since we are looking at this hyphenation setting, we'll do it from here. If we untick this, see what it has done is, if I tick this particular word, it has cut into two and it has brought the rest of the word which do not fit in this particular line to the next line. If I remove this automatically hyphenate, what it does is it shifts the entire word to the next line. It removes the hyphenation setting. Okay, so this is called hyphenation setting. There are various other settings also. If I keep this automatically hyphenate paragraph text, and see there is you can break capitalized words. See, if there is a capitalized word in between, you can break that if you click this. So even if you want to break the one word which has the beginning letter as capital, you can break that word too. Keep observing this particular word here. See, if you click this, what it has done is this particular word which has first letter in capital, it has break that word also into two lines. Okay, if you untick this here, it will bring that first capital word in first capital letter in a word to next line. Okay, even if the automatically Hyphenate paragraph text is on. Okay, this is to break capitalist words. Break words using all caps. Okay, even if there is a word which has all the letters in capital, you can break that word. Use this Hypenation sign there, and you can break that word too if you have all the words in capital. So this is basically word setting. Minimum word with length. Suppose the word length is 6. I have kept it as 6. Okay, and I'll try to reduce this size. Now what it does is, after this these are the 6 words. Okay, see, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After what it basically does is, if there is a word which has letters, see, if you want this hyphenation setting after the 6 letters, you can put that figure here. You can change the figure. If you want the hyphenation setting in after 3 letters, you can change this figure here. This is the hyphenation setting. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So after 6 letters, it has put an hyphenation. Okay, if we reduce the size, what it does is, after the 6th letter, if the hyphenation sign, if it has 10 to 12 letters, and if it is not fitting in that particular line, what it does is it put the hyphenation mark after 6 letters and shift the rest of the word to the next line. Okay, if I decrease this figure, it's the hyphenation mark after those particular words. Okay, this is the use of that. This is the word length. This is the character length. Character length means each word. In a word, each letter is called character. So this is 3. I increase it to 6. So it has increased to 6. At present it is 3 character. Increase it to 4. What it does is, 4, if I increase, it brings that particular word to the next line. What I do is I reduce it to 2. So that is, it counts minimum character to maximum character. See. So minimum character is 2. So that is the reason after the minimum character, it puts hyphenation mark and shifts the rest of the word to the next line. So this is distance from margin. Distance here from margin. So we can increase or decrease the distance. Okay. And basically, if I untick this, it removes all the hyphenation mark from the text. So this is not a hyphenation mark here. If you see this word, this is not a hyphenation mark. This is a word. This is 2 words, and in between a dash has been inserted in that 2 words. So this is the use of hyphenation. And this is the next tool is writing tool. In the writing tool, this is to spell check or spelling check. This tool can be used. Okay. Now wherever there is a mistake in spelling, it shows on this particular window, in writing tool window. Okay, so here you can replace that word. As soon as you click on this text and writing tool,